Okay, we're going on a test drive. These seats are super comfy. It's like sitting in a lazy boy. I have the windows cracked. You got the little windows here open, which is really cool. The suspension feels amazing on this. It's really soft and smooth. You definitely get that kind of boat sensation. It shifts nice and smooth. The steering wheel is perfectly straight. It doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Brakes feel good. Overall, this thing drives really nice. Everything's so smooth, from the suspension to the brakes, the response of the steering. Very nice. Power steering is nice and smooth. I'm just totally shocked how smooth everything is on this car. It drives nicer than most newer cars as far as like overall comfort. It's so smooth, so quiet. The suspension feels good. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Starting with the front right wheel. I don't see any curb rash. Overall though, it's in really good condition. Those lights look good. We got a little scuff there. A couple small ones here. All really subtle. A few small rock chips. A couple chips. Overall, that fender looks really nice. Got a rock chip here. The rest of that looks good. Got the big sunroof. A few small scuffs on that side mirror, but otherwise in great condition. You're gonna have little scuffs on this little trim piece. A few there. There's a dent here. Overall though, that door looks really nice. There's a dent down there. A couple transfer marks. There's a larger chip here and a chip there and there. All of this looks really nice. Got a little gash here. Little flaws here and there, but otherwise that thing looks awesome. That top looks really good. A couple stains. A few flaws in here. A couple scratches, a few chips. There's a touch-up spot. You have some damage here on that chrome. And then a gash there. Got some gashes here. And looking at that wheel, it is chewed up pretty good on the edge. Overall though, this thing looks really good. All right, let's look at the front here. Starting with the hood. Looks like something sat on here and got dragged across, almost like a box or something. So you're gonna see these little scuffs. Little scuffs here and there. Got one there. Got some scratches in this area. That's in great condition. You have little rock chips here. Every once in a while, a lot of them have been touched up. Overall, that light's in great condition. These have yellowed, but they don't look like they have any cracks in them. A couple little chips here and there. That grill looks really good. That has a little crack in it. And then you can see some spider cracking right there. Got some stuff here. Otherwise, that bumper looks good, and I think this is really cool. Got a sticker in here from where it was sold and serviced here in Oklahoma City. And then looking at the dash here, you can see the speaker cover is busted, as well as on that side. And here in the engine bay, I'll try to just scan through a lot of this. Now the underhood liner is definitely tore up pretty good here. It's still intact though. And then you're going to see the age, especially here under the hood. All right, checking out the driver's side. Do have some scuffs here. A couple scratches every once in a while there. Overall, that looks good. Got a chip here. Overall, that wheel's in good condition. Do see a ding right there. Couple rock chips. A few small scuffs. You can see a few scratches on the glass. Overall, that looks good. This looks really nice. This top looks amazing. I'm really surprised. It's in great condition. Looking at the doors, little scuffs and scratches. I see some transfer marks alongside this trim. A couple chips. You're gonna see little chips here. Got a gash here, and then one right there. Got some chips here, a little bit of wear. For the most part though, this side looks really nice. All right, looking at the back here on top of the deck lid, there are some scuffs. You can see some little stuff like that. A couple chips. Overall though, looks good. You're gonna see the stripes here have peeled off. Still have the original Fred Jones emblem. So we left that on there because that just is cool and nostalgic. Little gash here, little scuffs here and there. Little scuff here. Overall though, that's in great condition. And then here in the trunk, you do have a sub and a box enclosure. You got the spare tire. Looking at this liner under here, this is in great condition. And then overall, this carpet in here is really clean. A couple stains here and there, but for the most part, it looks really nice. And then you have the factory radio here. And this is the coolest part here on the trunk. When you shut it, you can do soft close. Automatically pulls it down and locks it. That is really, really neat. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Looking at these buttons, those are all in great condition. You do have a crack forming here. That speaker cover is missing. It's actually in the trunk, and I'm not sure if it's broke, but you do have the cover on that side, but it does come with it. The carpet looks nice. Looks like the cover's missing here on that light. Typical wear in this area. For the most part, that carpet looks good. You do have a lot of deep cracks right here. Overall, though, the leather's still pretty soft. You can see this doesn't want to tighten up all the way. It's kind of loose. Got some deeper cracks here. Little rip. And the steering wheel is very dirty. You can see it's brown and kind of cracking in some spots. That all looks good. For the most part, that area is really clean. You can see the speaker cover's busted there. Got the AC. Now you have this big screen with the backup camera, Android Auto, all that good stuff. The factory radio is in the trunk, so that is included. Overall, this dash looks really good, though. Here on the front right door panel, that handle's nice and secure. All those look really good. That panel is really nice. Kick plate area looks good. Carpets look amazing. Now you do have wear on the seats. You're going to see the wrinkles and some of the cracking. That's all throughout. Glove box looks good. All of that's in great condition. You can see the speaker covers here are busted. Same with that one over there. You got the huge sunroof. Here on the back right door panel, overall that carpet looks amazing. Looks like these buttons got pressed in there, so we'll need a look at that. That seat back looks good. Now you do have the cracking and wrinkles throughout the seat here. A couple on that back side, but for the most part, that back seat looks really good. Overall, that headliner looks nice. Here on the back left door panel, you do have a crack right there. All of that looks good. Handle's secure. Carpets look nice. That trim looks good. Overall, the seat back's in great condition. Of course, you do have your wear right there. And this seat has a lot of cracking. They're pretty deep. The seat back, though, looks really good. You can see in the very back here, that's in good condition.